Hey guys, it's Phil from Aussie Garage here today with the XC panel van. What I'm going to do today is put an overflow tank in. I got one of these. It's nice and compact. I got it off eBay. I think it cost me 40 bucks. And it will do what we need to do. Plus it's black and it's already painted. So all I have to do is bolt it into position and wire it all up with the hoses, and that's about it. So let's get cracking on with it. Okay, so guys, what have we done? We've removed this old one here that I had in there originally, and now I've replaced it with the new tank in here. We've connected up the pipes to go to the radiator, and then I put a drainage pipe for any additional overflow that comes down outside the engine bay there, so it doesn't hit inside any metal or anything like that. But that's pretty much that. Now the only one that I've still got to do is I've got to get this replaced, and I'm going to get an aluminium one to match that, which will be a black long one. That'll sit in that position. The other thing too is all this stuff here that we did earlier. We made a template up to hide that gap between the grille and the radiator support. So this is just a template for us to go by. What me and Dan are going to do is we're going to get a thick piece of aluminium, probably 3mm, 5mm, something like that. We'll shape it into this same kind of shape and make sure it fits nicely in this area using this template, and then we'll bolt it up, and then we'll also get it painted black. So it will sit nicely and make the front look a lot more neater once all this is ready to go for paint. So most of the stuff I'm doing at the moment on the car is basically just getting it ready. So as soon as we've got the funds to continue the project a bit further, well, at least these little minor things are good to go. Alright guys, that was it. Alright, I'll catch you next time.